everybody, welcome to the channel. My name's Sam, and I'm going to teach you about AI. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about what makes this channel different from all the other AI video channels out there. I'm not going to give you tutorials because there are so many great tutorials already, and because the software changes so quickly that by the time I finish one tutorial, it would probably be out of date. What I am going to teach you about that I think is more important is AI theory and practical everyday uses. Many of the examples I see on YouTube have to do with building a personal assistant or building a YouTube channel or building a print-on-demand business, which are okay, but they're not things that most people really ever need to do. And I'm very concerned that AI, because we're still at the start of it, is passing a lot of people by, just people who have no interest in technology. And my goal here is to show you through example how you can incorporate AI into ordinary, everyday things to make your life better and so that you can get ahead of it. I'm so concerned that so many people are just going to wake up one day and all of this technology will be sort of controlling their life as opposed to them having control over the technology. And it's my goal that by showing you examples, by teaching you little things that I've come up with, I can help you to not feel so away from it and to feel like you're getting ahead of it before it gets too big. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not going to be selling any kind of courses. There won't be any kind of, make $1 million in 30 days type of videos. There may be some sponsors here or there if I feel they're appropriate for the channel, and only if I feel that they're appropriate for the channel. Otherwise, this is really non-commercial, just me trying to help people, because I am so concerned how many friends and people I know who just it's gotten so far away from them so quickly. And you still have time. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter about your technical ability. We're just going to talk here about theory. And those theories are going to help you put ideas together. And from there, if you want to pursue those theories, you can find tutorials and figure out the steps beyond that. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please subscribe. Please, in the comments, I'll be more than happy to answer questions as much as I can. And let's have a good conversation here and really work together to get ahead of AI before AI gets ahead of us. All right, thanks, and I'll see you on the channel.